Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're looking at how to compare two arrays in JavaScript and guess what's unique to the first one. This is often needed in filtering data, managing selections, or syncing UI states. We'll use sets and filtering to make this fast and readable. Let's get started. We want to remove from array A anything that's found in array B. Using a set helps us check existence quickly, and filtering lets us grab only what we want. Let's dive into the code for a clear review. First, we create a set from the second array. Then, we use filter on the first array to keep elements that are not found in that set. This way, we only retain their difference. Fast and easy. Let's break the logic down step by step. Set lets us check if a value exists in constant time. That's why we turn B into a set before filtering. Then, filter walks through array A, returning only values not present in this set. Super efficient and readable. The first example returns 3 because 1 and 2 exist in both arrays. The second shows 4, which is missing from the second array. And in the third, 7 and 9 are unique values in the first array. Let's see where this method might be useful. You can apply this in settings like comparing form values, managing selected users, or tracking data changes. This helps detect what's missing, what's been added, or what should be removed. Now, let's wrap up with what we've learned. And there you have it, a clean, fast method to find the difference between two arrays using modern JavaScript. Perfect for front-end or back-end use cases, where comparisons matter. Thank you for tuning in, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.